For the longest time, I have wanted to lay my eyes upon the great grasslands of Mongolia, an ancient land of rich history, where empires rose and fell. I grew up watching the waves of the Atlantic Ocean crashing on the beaches of western France, the vast emptiness of the sea resembling a call for adventure. I wanted to know what it would feel like to walk in what resembles an ocean on land. But I wanted to do it in winter, when the temperatures drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius, where the unforgiving cold is a dangerous enemy, where the wind hurts your face and your eyes, where the deadly conditions meet untamed beauty. The green grasslands transform into what resembles an arid desert. Here, the great sand dunes are replaced by snow-covered hills. The thick sheet of snow absorbs all sounds, bringing a peaceful quiet in every place, all under the infinite blue sky. In this place, a long time ago, lived hardy men and women, and I walked in their steps. Here's what I saw.